The public sector has got a lot of money available to it, but doesn't always know how to allocate that very efficiently and track how well it's being used. Our software is really important in that sense because the housing associations, when they're building houses, use a lot of public money, and our software helps them see exactly how it's being used, how it's being utilised, and ensure they're getting value for money on every project that they're doing. Britain is difficult place to build in at times. We do make life very difficult for ourselves in terms of the political interferences and machinations that go on, particularly at a local level. A streamlined sort of overall national strategy for how housing was going to be developed, where it's going to be developed, and streamlining that process would make it all much easier. And there are signs that is where things are going towards, but we're a long way off it yet. Our sector faces quite a number of challenges, particularly around government's changes, lots of changes in Housing Minister. They're often having the rules changed and the criteria by which they get funding changed on a regular basis. They have been excellent, in my opinion, at adapting to change regularly, nearly every year.
There's a huge skills shortage right now in housing, and what we do is we have workshops, we have viability reports, we have assumptions reports. We can take a brand new team, we can get them up and running in a very small period of time. And when you have constant turnover of staff, that is extremely important. But also the business continuity from the systems that we do have gives directors and CEOs a huge amount of, shall we say, security that their business is being protected, that whatever the first team started doesn't have to be unpicked by the next team. The next team can get up to scratch straight away and they can take those ideas forward.
Development is evolving towards being mainly online, apart from certain enterprise applications. So in the future, as you've seen already, the drive towards mobile development and as you've seen internet applications becoming much more widespread, that's only going to continue. And the integration between those different systems is going to become much easier and much more widespread, so that people can have best-of-breed applications doing specific tasks without having to have huge monolithic applications. Things will talk to each other much more smoothly.